ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen's my name, self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School, right here in St. Louis, Missouri. We're out in the lobby of the Scoop School facility, and I just wanted to share with you something cool I think that we're doing so far as our scoop wall is concerned. Before I do so though, very serious, I do want to thank our episode sponsor, which is Slice's Concession. Their link is down below. Now, if you have a need for new, slightly used, whole store packages, Slice's Concession is the way to go. Now, again, everyone's dream is to be able to buy new equipment, get it in there, get it working. But if you have to buy or your budget's constrained, have a look at Slice's Concession. Evan and the whole crew there are very, very respectful. They do a great job in inspecting all the machines that go out. Go and have a look at their inventory. If you have any questions, talk to Evan. He's my man. The link is down below, Slice's Concession. We do thank you for your episode sponsorship. Okay, now I've got a confession to make. There's nothing I love more on a Saturday night to sit in a nice soaking tub, open up Facebook Marketplace and search antique ice cream scoops. Now, I wasn't always a big believer, or I was a doubting Thomas when it came to, if I just pay somebody on Facebook Marketplace, are they really going to ship me this information or ship me the product I'm paying for? Absolutely they do. So we started coming up with a scoop wall, and I love this scoop wall, and we're constantly adding to it. And basically what it is, let me put these guys down, a bunch of old, unique scoops, not all of them old, but some of them unique scoops. So putting together one of these walls is relatively inexpensive. Each of these scoops I kind of picked up anywhere between $5 and $7, $10, $13. The more ornate ones are a bit more expensive. And look, I just put two small nails in here, and I just sit the scoop this way. Now, if this is something that you'd like to do in your store, and you're in the customer area, you kind of don't want them kind of grabbing things. You may want to just kind of a little bit of hot wax or hot glue to kind of glue them to the wall. But it's quite fascinating, and again, they're not all new. There's a couple here that we were given as gifts. We've got not God Save the Cream. We've got the Ice Queen scoop up there. There's a very highfalutin one up here. Some really interesting ones here. Some of these older scoops that actually have the Eternity Turn on it. And these are some that I'm just getting ready to put up. This is an old, two old trigger scoops. This one's the trigger from the front here. This one's got the push button at the back. And there's an old Baskin-Robbins scoop that I picked up here somewhere. Anyway, oh, this one here. This is an old Baskin-Robbins scoop, if you can see that. Again, these are the little things that make a difference. When people come to people's ice cream shops, this is relatively inexpensive to put together. I think it's pretty cool. Next thing, you'll have people sending you antique ice cream scoops. I have my kids every kind of birthday or Christmas roll in a few antique ice cream scoops. It's just a little bit different, isn't it? It may not be the reason why someone's driving, you know, past 7 ice cream shops to get to your ice cream shop. Or maybe it is. I think it's important to make sure, again, the environment in which you are selling your ice cream is interesting. I talk about it all the time. End product, engagement, environment. When people walk into your ice cream shop and they see something different like this, a wall full of cones, sprinkles, motifs on the tables, it creates this environment where people want to come to your store versus somebody else's. And for me, I think that is just as important as the product of the ice cream itself. Call me crazy. But the environment, the engagement, you and your employees engaging with customers, and the quality of your product all come together to make your ice cream experience just that much better. So let us know what you do in your store. Love to see some pictures. I think you can post pictures in a comment, can you not, Madeline? Look, if you can't post a picture in the comments, just tell us what you do. Send us a picture. We'll show you some of the interesting things that people do in their store to kind of decorate up things a little bit. Thank you again for our episode sponsor, Slice's Concession. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, conundrums about the ice cream business, we'd love to help you. Look, reach out to us. I haven't said this for a while. You can actually email us, info@scoopschool.com. At scoopschool.com, we've actually got a little area where you can click on and basically have a 15-minute call for free with me. Some people talk about ice cream. Some people just want to shoot the breeze. You can do whatever you want. Keep on scooping. See you in the next video.